Dewayne, me see ya, Dewayne, me see ya. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, man. On the roof?
Not really. Come back to talk to you.
Okay.
Alright, so you're going, right? Pull up all of the thermostats and connect. The thermostats are the things that tell you the temperature from inside to outside. So you pull up all the ones from inside to outside. And you get the signal still going to come out. So when you disconnect the thermostat, that, well, you actually come on.
Where probably?
I'll show you all the thermostats are separate. Now, there's 4 hours and I'll show you the quality.
Alright. What you look for me for? I have bad news. So the AC guy just told me that the part that's up on the roof is fucked. He said the inside is good, but the outside is mash up bad. It mash up bad, 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 bad. Thank you so much. Oh goodness. I'm gonna lock up my house and go down and go hear what they have to say to me. Cause if not on my ball under today, I put in a piece of ball and me I walk in my balling suit today because if not on my ball, cause what else is there to do? You see why I never want to look for the AC because I know see I did one big problem. One mind did I tell me see a mine you know? Alright, I go work with the red. Red for my cheekbone them. Red for my lipstick. Yeah. Not no bad. Not at all. Alright.
He's so cute.
I come in, I put on my putting on my makeup to leave the house now. So just go on the road, man. Me I go come down in the car, yeah? Thank you so much for cooperating with me. Alright. Alright. I'm gonna get a brush, guys. Should I go with this glasses or this glasses? Which one? This or this one? Red or brown? Which one do you feel most? Red or brown? Red? Yeah, red. I feel it red too. Alright. Let's go with the red. It's like I yeah man, 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 yeah man.
So me get lion too, so thank you Nikki for my lion. Me get lion too.
Put on your nose. Love, love, love.
Put on your red nose.
Love me, General.
Roar. Roar.
Love.
Thank you so much. Everybody thank you. Boy, mom. Jamila Patience, Joyce. God bless Katie. Active Lady. Jess. The Glamzon. Aura. Chambers. Quasi. All things Keppel. Privy. Bless up. Enough respect.
Number 7, guys.
everybody. Come on. Activate everything my side. Come on. Let me go inside where I can't see. Cause outside I get dark. Sorry. Outside I get dark.
But we're not running.
Cars.
Get a lion. So stay over there and roll some more. And I'm gonna get
Watch
a
out,
lion.
I see me get lion. Alexa,
Get
pause.
one more there, not get one more there, no.
Alright,
Get
yeah,
one
go
more
see.
there.
Yeah, see.
You're
Yeah,
not getting
see.
no more lion.
Yeah, see. Yeah, see.
Alright.
Roar. Yeah, see. Yeah, see. Me, I go show you. Yeah, see. Yeah, see. You think you alone I go get it? Give me one something.
What say?
Yeah, see.
Me get the lion for the times 2, you get it for times 1.
Me, so, a lion is a lion. A lion is a...
Me the right under see and leave body to backside. Somebody bring me see and leave for the hand of my body. Me not for the hand of see and body. I lick up under
Other people got worried
me
about
I lick see and body so. Me not want to lick see and body.
Disconnect it off of the Bluetooth.
Me
Alexa,
rather go lick strip body.
disconnect Bluetooth.
Me rather go lick strip body because me not like see and body.
My side, come on everybody. Come on everybody. Work together, push together, snipe together. Come on my side. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go.
And people, I beg on you, because some want to do it, you know. I don't want certain comments under here, you know. Because it trigger me off, you know, and make me say things what I know to say, you know. See me, the man went name there, I make Nicky Garn, you know. And so I will cuss on you, you know. Come on, my side. Let's go. My side, top of the screen. Come on, everybody.
Are your girlfriend that?
Come on, my side. Let's go. Let's go, my side. Come on, everybody. Everybody, come on, my team. Come on. Boom! Show up and score, my side. Everybody show up and score now. Come on, my team. Quasi, thank you. Cars. Thank you so much, Cars. Come on, my side.
Dream Chaser, let's go!
My side, come on, my side. Come on, my side. Show up and score now. 935 people. Remember, we are ranking on my side. Show it up on my side, man. Come on, everybody, man. Keep pushing on my side. Keep me up there on my side, man. Road to 2.4, man. Come on, everybody. Road to 2.4. Yes, continue to play already. Come on, my side. Let's go. Everybody, come on, my side. Let's go. Everybody, just keep pushing. Do what we can, my side. Come on, everybody. Brit, why you so quiet?
No, I mean, I think about some look at things.
I want to look at things that you think about. Come on, my side.
No, not really.
You want me to play their game?
Yeah, I go.
Like if me win, me tell you what to do. If you win, you tell me. Say, I say flow your face, you have a flow your face.
Okay, let's play. But so if you lose, what I do? Tell you what to do?
Yeah, but they can't tell me no nastiness.
So it start now or it start after the game?
After that game, yeah.
Alright, so guys, when I hear rules, so please don't make me have a flow on my face for life. I don't want to be that guy today.
Cars, bless up Scars. Come on, my side. Let's go, everybody. Come on. Let's go. Me and Britany are playing it. Stop do that. Come on, my side. Let's go, everybody. Everybody together now, my team. Come on. Work together. Snipe together.
Dahlia, I see you, baby. Mwah. Appreciate you, Dahlia. So, guys, after this game on the hero rules, if I lose, he dares me. If he lose, I dare him. Some want to start right to dare them. I want me to dare him. Cause we not go lose. So somebody tell we start writing a comment what I want me can dare him for do. Cause I don't really know about that game, yeah. So somebody tell me what me to dare him for do.
The price of 50 dollars.
Somebody tell two. Oh, okay, alright. Alright. What else?
This leave me alone, yeah.
I'm saying I fit it.
So what you tell me? You can't me no nasty night. You can't tell me cut no part of me either.
But are you say that the game there?
Yeah, that me say. Give me along. No. Just with that support him like I want to wait there.
Which one?
Wait there. This. Let me see. The white. Like them two. Circle. I want money now.
Bye. It's simple circle. What you brother?
Alright, you don't know more color in them there?
Yeah.
What color? Like what color? Pretty color. Let me know. And then you can give me discount.
Rasta boy, I go get there now. Rasta,
How we are called Rasta boy? How we are called Rasta boy?
Rasta boy, I go get there now, Rasta.
He balled girl. I balled girl. I balled girl.
Rasta, I go get near in a Rasta.
Hey, Avatar.
Near in a Rasta.
Avatar, you get near too. Avatar, you get near too.
Alright. Now we get near in this.
Yeah, get near in this to Avatar.
Yeah, get near in this.
When this is a tiny girl, they say Avatar.
Alright, Rasta.
Blame Vibes Cartel.
Well, I like a G.
I hold your word like a genius.
Yeah, we
come on.
Near in this, Rasta.
Yeah, get near in this.
Yeah.
Yeah. Look what size them messages.
Guys, I want to get ready now. Get ready now.
Come on, my side. Push up the score. My side, everybody help me now, people. Tap up the screen, share the live now.
Guys, who ready for dare him?
Drawstring white.
I'm gonna keep on right to there. Yeah, you know keep on right to there then because I feel him game, so I'm gonna figure him out get that
somebody send me, but I want to tell you something about somebody.
It most hard.
And the first one I could send me the lion. I don't really cuss me. I could get somebody else wait name them. I just get mad enough. You know how me see. Somebody be so astonished. I see me get to run. Buff. Wagwan. Come on, my side. My side. Show up the score now, everybody, man. My side, I want. Now, really make Brit dear me. Jason Barzy, thank you. Wagwan, buff. Oh, bad cause. That is it. You know, you come down, and I'm a bad friend. Bless up yourself, my bro. So, I got talks. That is swag. You know, you come down. See, the whole list of G. Let's come down. Bad man talks, man, you know. But there, I'm Brit up on the live here, but Brit want to win me. I don't know how this chat me right now. I'm a car. Come on, my side. Let's go. Everybody, come on, people. Only can't make come on a Rasta boy. Me about Rasta boy. How we are called Rasta boy?
Mama got her. Can you hear that? Can you hear that?
You think I'm afraid of you either? You think I'm afraid of you?
I'm afraid of you.
You know why you're afraid of me. Come on. You know me not know you. Come on, my side. Let's go. Everybody push up the score. Come on, people.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Alright.
Alright.
Boy, I know.
Alright, Ballad, y'all.
Can we win this? How we this?
My side, come on, my side.
Well, I dare like a G. What you say? Why? Alright. Well, for dare him so now because the time I bubble down, now we dare
my side, come on, my side, snipe. Everybody make us snipe together
Now
now.
what the other boy I know?
Come on, my side, man. Let's go,
Yeah.
people, man. Everybody
Oh,
together,
but
we
that's
can
not bad.
snipe, you know. Snipe, people, snipe.
Alright, now look through Roger,
I'm
so.
trying to really, I mean, come in.
Alright, so
When
you're
you mess
there
up.
now. Go and see like a raw egg and eat it. That's
No,
the thing.
me not have no egg. So if I come up with
I don't know
something.
if you have egg in your house.
Come in, I want to look at box me live in.
Oh, alright. Somebody say if you go eat one pepper.
Me
You
not
know
have no
me?
pepper either.
So,
Alright, in terms of kitchen products, the only thing me have a look of flour. Me not cook, so me not have no kitchen things.
eat 1 spoon of raw flour
Put it, you mean put it in my mouth?
and try it till it's the good one. That's
No,
not
no,
bad.
no, no. I can't swallow a raw flour. Where you want to kill me for
So,
life?
somebody say,
I can put the flour in my mouth till the match is over, but I'll not intake the flour, like swallow it, no.
alright, cut one of your locks then.
Tell them cut them pussy tongue.
So I don't want to play a game
You
where
know
you don't want
just
to do
hear me
what
tell
you're
you, say,
supposed to do.
you know
So I
just
want
hear
to
me
play a
tell
game
you,
where you don't want to know what you're supposed to do.
you know just hear me tell you, say you can't cut no part of your body. You may not make you do no nastiness or none of that. You know hear me tell you before the game start. Don't.
But Roger, you're not pay
Hear what?
fair.
Break.
You're not
Break.
pay fair.
All when you want talk like Jesus, my locks can't cut. Me not do no nastiness, me not swallow no flour for stuff me up and kill me. You think you're your blood clot people them can't kill me after me lose my number one. I know wake up a morning. You
Alright,
think me's an idiot?
somebody say if you eat 1 spoon of salt, you have to carry do something.
I will put the salt in my mouth, me not yam the salt. It's like swallow the salt. You want
Well,
me put a...
go do it then because a deer is a deer.
Yeah, alright, no problem. Me put a spoon of salt in my mouth, but me not... Brit, you think your
Yeah,
people them
well,
can't
go
kill
do
me?
it. Because a deer
Yeah.
is a deer. I your game, so manage it.
Yeah. Yeah, me not have no problem, but don't tell me swallow no. Like you want to kill me. If I'm going to drink yam flour and then tomorrow I can't wake up because my belly stuff. Last call.
Hey guys, in the door, man. Me lose the next match, you know, because you know, so they want
Oh,
to come
because if you
down
lose
here.
a crew, I go for a pack of salt at shop. I tell them I don't have no cooking products at shop. I go buy it. I'm not telling a lie.
We
I'm
are
not
going to
lie
go
to you.
again, you know, guys. Man, make you know, so
I'm not lie to you.
everybody go do
My
it now.
side, everybody come. But Brit, me not tell you cut no part of your body. And you can't tell me no nastiness. Me a bad people. Don't ramp with my career. Raquel, give me a pack of salt, please. Who says so? Trudy, come suck me. Give me the salt, remember, bro. Trudy, read my lips, because you're not here. Come suck me. Trudy from the bar of Beeson Street, come suck me.
So,
Bad
yeah,
touch.
so wait, they're
I'm sorry, I
going to
just
pay
see you
for
come the
salt.
wrong time, but no worry yourself, my bro. You hear
So
that?
I'm going to pay for salt.
At my place, man. I'm going to tell you, at my ground.
Oh, okay.
What you worry about? At my ground.
Now worry about now. So put in a spoon now and swallow everything.
I'm
Because
not
I don't
swallowing
like
it, Brit.
here.
Brit, I'm not swallowing it. I'm going to keep the salt in my mouth for the whole match. Me not swallow the salt. You not kill me, Brit. You don't care what you do or your people, them wanna not kill me. Wanna not kill me a blood clot.
So where's spoon there, Roger? Alright, let's come on a spoon.
Brit, I saw you did eat me.
That is not the dear, Roger. More salt than that. More salt than that. More salt than that. You want more salt than that. That is how they not go work. He might cheat. He might cheat and I say game go. He might cheat. Guys, I'm type for next year in my comments so we can. I'm type for next year. Type for next year. Nah, me win so we can dear Roger. Why next year? Oh, like I see, when you guys have to buy something, you have to go buy one egg. If you lose, you have to go eat your raw egg. Yeah. Why? Guys, the time's too soon. Come on, man. We catch your times too. Man, we catch your times too, guys, so we can't hear him again. Do not let me lose, guys. I don't want the flour on my face. He's gonna tell me to rub flour all over my face. I don't want to be that guy. Top girl, me see you never a flop girl, always a shop girl. But pick up yourself, top girl, me see you. Alright, Nico! Nico! You mash up my life. Hey, you mash up my life. Times 2, guys, starting soon. Catch your times 2, catch your times 2. Guys, team winners! It times 2 on! Catch your times 2! Catch your times 2! Catch your times 2! Move it. Lion! Lion! Bob, I am the win! 3 lion that feeding! The win, big up yourself! Love! Born to kill her, me look me one big old lion, come out! But I'm say, guys, get ready for India because in can't win this one. Dwayne, love you! Love you so much, Dwayne! Dwayne! So, why on a mission go buy egg fry now? Because... but I don't want to know where you get there for do. Alright, yeah, go get your bag of flour and rub the flour on your face. All over on your neck and your hand them and rub it on your chest plate. Do it with the flour. Rub the flour all over. No, rub it over yourself too. Your neck, your chest plate. A deer is a deer, buddy. A deer is a deer.
One dear, you give me too much thing. You say rub it on my face and my face. From you say and or two thing.
You know rub over yourself. Over yourself, no rub up. Over yourself. I want a little spot. You know, catch a little spot over yourself. You know, catch a spot right there, so look. Yeah, rub yourself now. Rub out everything. And your nose and everything, you damn monkey. Yeah, you ugly monkey. Yeah, rub everything. Ugly fuck, you. Rub it up. Alright. That look like it now. Alright, maybe rematch again. You fucking ugly fuck, you. You fucking ugly fuck.
Them out broad like a back pocket. And full of teeth like people in the stop programming the one and not shut up. Career choice. Bam! What's wrong? So bring the flour to.
The flour?
Yeah, flour your face like me, just like me.
Why you wanna give me that, dear?
Okay, so why you gave it to me? Can you flour your face for me, please? It's nothing hard. The salt will be more excruciating. No, we want to look alike. We want to look alike. I want to look alike. Sorry, I want to look alike first and then I give her some. I want to look alike. I want to look alike. And people, just keep the comment section good and clean. Please. Wait them and big on my people them. Hold up there, hold up. When the leave will bless up in on my baby, wait there. Ready this night. Alright then. Mr. Nicia, big up yourself. Pretty Mimi, big up. Civil King, big up. Renee, thank you so much. Gigi Bless, thank you so much, Gigi Bless. Enough respect, appreciate it. Come, flow your face. Thank you.
But I told you guys to not let me lose. And this is what happened now. Hold on, I come in, I'm gonna...
I'm holding on. I'm holding on. I'm holding on, you ugly Ross. Eh? You just do it? How about that? Don't she take so long? You take long door. You taking off the wig? Why you take off the wig? And people, I'm not daring her to do anything. I'm not daring her to do anything that I'm not going to do, okay? So see, if I'm not going to do it, I'm not going to dare her to do it. Please and thank you. Brit, rub it in. Just throw it over floor in your hand, yeah. Yeah. Oh, you're so, oh, you ugly fuck. You're Ross, yo, you ugly dummy. You ugly dummy. You're raw today, you never know your ugliness is not gonna show up the floor, bring it up like how it bring up mine. Me know my ugly strong, but you have a sense here, mean and ugly. Strong like herbs. Tasha, what's up, baby? Tasha, help me push up now, Tasha, baby. Tasha, baby, help me push up now. We're on. We're on. We're on.
It's over for you.
And it's over for you too. Tasha, baby. Help me show up now,
Over for
Tasha, baby.
you.
More go to 2.4. Oh, I'm at 2.4 now. Road to 2.5, people. Road to 2.5, people. Come on.
It's over for you.
And it's over for you too.
And it's over for you more.
And it's over for you more. For sure.
Attack!
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 Attack! Where's the red nose? Put on your red nose.
I
Come
see
on,
you,
my
Jay.
side.
Let's go.
Everybody, come on together. Come on, everybody together on my side, man. Everybody together. Mrs. Sophisticated. Mrs. Such Pictures, I'm sorry. Mrs. Such Pictures, big up. My side, 3,400. 3 gold mine and a money gun. Come on, my side. 3 gold mine and a money gun, activate the speed. Come on, everybody. 3 gold mine and a money gun. Thank you, Miss Suspicious. Come on. Nikki, thank you so much, Nikki. Come on. One more. Bobby Bella, thank you. One more gold mine and a money gun. Top squad! Attack!
Hey!
Miss Chena, Candela, Brianna,
Andre!
Renee, Tasha, Shanice Walker, Bobby Bella, Kimmy, Ducky, Godfather, Top Skull, Tasha,
Guys, we don't want this at the area again. Team winners, man, we
Kimmy,
just come out tonight.
Ashbody, Miss Church Pictures, Top Skull. T, everybody big up. Watch them now, my side. Watch them. She too cocky. Them will snipe. Bring the salt. Come on my side. Watch them. Watch them. Godfather. Chop skull. Tasha. Big up my team.
Attack!
Attack! Them a come! Them a come! Them a come! Them a come! Tasha, them a come! Them a come! Try intimidate them. Them a come! Them a come!
Let's go!
Boom! Shot! 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 Them a come! Them a come! Fire! 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 Fire!
Wise money.
Chop's gone! Tasha! Bobby Bella Brianna, Island Queen, Shanice Walker, Kaya Stevens, Queen Bless, Kimmy Sue, Sam.
Why? So here we are there now. You're Mr. Roger. You're there now. Wanna shop and go buy yourself an egg? One nice.
Them not sell egg over the shop.
They sell egg over there.
Them not sell egg for sure.
They got to sell egg.
Alright, me I go show you, me I bring you over there. And me I ask and make you hear.
Alright, one. Roar! Dwayne, I'll send me the lion. There you go, look. Dwayne! But 92K. Who can beat me number one? Who can beat me number one? No. None can beat me number one, Gifter.
Stop saying that, mind your ear. Mind your upset the wrong person, yeah?
Oh, upset the wrong person. You know nobody over there, so I don't know what you're talking about. Eat the egg and
Alright.
top nice.
Alright.
Eat the egg and top nice.
Dapper, you sell egg? Eh? You don't have no egg? See? Tell her.
No egg.
Told you.
Buy one pepper.
Them not sell pepper. A market. A blood clot market.
Buy one hot pepper. They sell hot pepper. You can't
A market.
They sell hot pepper in a supermarket though.
Well, I no market this, I no them market here. I no supermarket that a shop, a ghetto. Hush. Next. That mean me nah give you no pepper cause me nah have none. Me nah give you no egg cause me nah have none.
But you don't want to eat there, then when you get
It's not a matter about the deer and the next thing I want to forget money from for you send me go blood clot shop. If I send you out to your house to shop, I want to get blood clot money. Me use what me have, don't make a road here.
Oh, you fuck this, yeah. No, sir. Alright. I dare you to do 50 push-ups.
Blood clot girl a wickedy.
50 push-ups.
Say 40.
50 50.
Say 40.
50.
Me hate you.
Me eat your worst hour.
I me hate you.
Hour.
Me hate you, Wasara.
Yeah, me what's eat you.
Me wasa. Me wasa hate you.
50 push up.
Suck me.
You know nothing for suck. Me
Come.
what's eat you.
Come.
Let's go. You have to do push up them before I get nothing.
Yeah, well, make the game run at the same time.
No, you have to do it before a game can run because. But you not do it. Your back now good on.
7, 8,
You figure lower
9,
than that.
10.
You not go low enough. You not feel
That
nothing.
I first 10. Brit, don't come go like you think a blood clot, you're a gymnast or you're a fitness trainer. Right. 10, 9, 10. Start the match.
Nah.
Yeah, do your push up them, start the match.
You have to do it
Brit,
first.
you can't make me shoot at them go start the blood clot match. Me a
You
dear
not
here.
go where. Do you
No, me
push up
not do the
there?
dear till the match start. Start the
Nah.
match, make the match run.
Nah, you have to do it before a match.
Well, me
You
nah
have
do
to
no
do it
more.
before a
Me
match.
nah do no more. Me nah do no more. Cause when you
Well,
take
we
it on,
don't
not the
match
dear I
them
do.
because you're not fear. You're not fear. You want
It's
fear.
not a
You
matter
can't
of
take it
fear.
fear. You have to
Me I
take
tell
it
you say
fear.
while me I do the match.
No,
Me
you
I
have
do
to
a
do
push
it.
up.
No, you have 30 more push. Me can't match back with this stuff.
Alright, come. 1, 2, 3. A blood clot girl is a wicked bungle, you know. You can do push up. Make sure. 5. Boy. What a wicked girl. Boy, wait them on. I want that. I want that. My hand nearly broke. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 left. Oh. Oh. Jesus. Hey, blood clot ballad girl, you wicked, you know. It's a wicked ballad girl to blood clot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Boy. Me have 5 left. Can't start the match now. Me hate your blood clot. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, God. My bone broke.
You have to do about that one. That one you don't go down. You can't quit some. You have to do it.
Brit, my honor hurt me.
No, you have one more left to do and that's a life go. You have to do what I tell you to do.
Alright, come. 1.
How much again I know? So we not play with boy not play with we run and stuff.
Boy.
Why? 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 Me not hear it. Static. Me not hear nothing what you say. It's signal is static. Me not mute him. Look how tell a lie about me. Look here. Don't tell a lie about me. You didn't want me mute him. You didn't want me mute him. Look here. Don't come mess up with that. Don't come mess up with that. Alright. You look around too hot. You didn't want me mute him. You didn't want me mute him. I know, me not touch him with one press nothing. So me not know how if you come tell about what say me mute him. You say me mute him? Me not mute him. Say me not mute him, what do you want me to do? Me not mute him. It's like it's static, it break up. Me not know what to say, it's static. I know, me not mute him. I know, me not touch nothing. See me on them, yeah. When me find time for mute him. You know, so some man a lie pan you do. Some man a pan you a liar. Some man a pan you a liar. Are you a liar? Are you a liar? Out of order. You're out of order. And the static, it's like the static come out of range. Me never could have nothing about it. It come out of range. So it's not like it's me. It's not really me. It's a static. And I keep on telling these people, and they calling me liar for it. It's the static. Gosh, man. It's the static. Honey, it's the static. It's the static. Right now, I want to jump off a life because I want to go bed. I'm not fresh for a morning. I want to catch a fresh take off the clown outfit and be realistic now. Costume time done. It passed the costume hours. I can't just a costume all night, so. Alright, I'm calling back because I'm going to back with me over there now. And me hear what I must say because I static. I try to tell them say I static. I don't really mean. What is 50 push up? I can't do 50 push it up.
I gotta tell you some blood clot things. I gotta talk some ras clot things.
It's the static, honey. It's the static. It's the static. The static.
Don't me. Come me just a cuss out the blood clot.
It's not really me, honey. It's the static. It's the static.
No,
Come on,
don't me. Don't call me honey. Do your dear first.
Honey. It's the static. It's not really me. It's the static.
I mean, of course, I gotta tell you some nasty things. Do you dear? I want you to put a spoonful of salt in your mouth for the whole game.
What?
I want you to put a spoonful of salt in your mouth for the entire game. Like what they did to me and burn up my mouth.
It's the static. I can't hear.